Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today the date is 6th May 2021 and the day is Thursday. It's your English period. Today is your test day of unit number 2, PIPMER second week. The learning objective of our today test is to assess knowledge of the students. On your home task, you write here your name. After that, you solve your test honestly. First of all, you solve this question, choose the correct option, and after that, you solve question number 2, make sentences of the following words. After that, you solve question number 3, underline the adjective in the following. You just underline the adjectives in this question. This is the last question of your assessment. Add suffixes to these words to make adjective. This is your test, students. After solving the test, you come to the next topic we discussed today, that is relevant to the grammar tree. You open your home task and the grammar tree in front of you and start to solve the exercise with me. Today, the exercise is relevant about the compound noun. First of all, students, I will tell you about the noun. What is noun? You know very well, naming things are called noun. The name of any person, place, or thing is called noun. Here in this exercise, we discuss the compound nouns. Some common and proper nouns are made up of more than one word. They are known as compound nouns or simply compounds. For example, newspaper. Here in this word, students, news and paper. We join two words and make new word newspaper. This is compound noun. Plaything, keyboard, or etc. Students, one of the meanings of the word compound is a mixture of more than one thing. Here, exercise page number 3. Some of the underlined nouns are compound nouns. Pick them out and say whether they are proper or common noun. Okay, here is proper and common noun. Listen the definition carefully. You already know that there are two main kinds of noun, common and proper. A common noun is a general name that is given to all things, places, animal, or person of one kind. For example, book, country, river, dog, girl, boy, city, etc. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special name given to a particular thing, place, animal, or person. For example, Asia, Canada, Salim, Karachi, Taj Mahal, Pakistan, etc. Now we start to solve the exercise here. My pen friend lives in a town in South Africa. Here in this sentence, compound nouns. Pen friend and South Africa are the compound noun. And you write here the what is common or what is proper. Pen friend is common noun and South Africa is proper noun. Second one, the postman put all the letter in the letter box. Here in this sentence 10 words are underlined, 10 nouns are underlined, and all these nouns are common noun. Third one, the woodpecker is a bird with a strong bill and stiff nail. Here, woodpecker and bill both are the common noun. Many great men have used the famous library of the British Museum in London. Here in this sentence, students, men and the library are the common noun, but the British Museum is the name of particular place. That's why it's a proper noun. Now come to the fifth. My grandparents live in Islamabad. Here in this sentence, grandparents, common noun, and Islamabad is the name of a particular city. That's why it's a proper noun. 6. Even grown-ups like to read fairy tales. In the sixth one, students, both of the compound nouns are common noun. 7. Kamran likes to watch Western with cowboys and plenty of gunfires and punch-ups. In this sentence, just Kamran is proper noun. Kamran is proper noun, and also the remaining of the all compound noun are the common noun. 8. Please do not park your car in driveway. Cars and driveway are the common noun. Rima suffers from high fever and frequent headache. In this sentence, Rima is proper noun and the rest of the two compound noun are the common noun. 10. Paper bags cost much less than hard bags, but they are not so durable. Here in this sentence, students all, one is compound noun and this is common noun. In 11.1, a new pop group is going to play at the local dance hall. Two compound nouns are underlined in this sentence and both are the common noun. 12. The crown jewels of the Queen of England are kept in the Tower of London. Here in this sentence, students, crown jewels are the common noun and the Tower of London is proper noun. Third one. 13. Chewing gum is not a modern invention. Men were chewing gum over 500 years ago. Here in this sentence, students, all are the common nouns used in 14. The spaceship crashed on an unknown planet in the Milky Way. In this sentence, Milky Way is proper and spaceship is common noun. 15. The students will be given their timetable soon. Timetable soon is common noun. For your help, students, the answer key is given at the bottom of the page. If you have any query about this, then text me. This is our today lecture. I hope all of you understand. Allah Hafiz.